Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingAnImpact.com, and today I wanted to share with you 6 tools I use in my business that I could not live without. So tool number 1 is Meet Edgar. Meet Edgar is meetedgar.com, is a software that you can use, and it's gonna pre-schedule and rotate all of your Facebook posts, your Twitter posts. It goes to LinkedIn too. But so before, I used to have to sit down once per week and schedule out all of my Facebook posts for my Facebook group, for my Facebook page, for Twitter, all of these places. Meet Edgar, you put it in there once and it recycles old content. So you could put in a year's worth of content and it keeps bringing it up. So you don't have to keep doing it over and over again. It saves so much time and I'm obsessed. Tool number 2, Tailwind. I use Tailwind all the time to schedule out all my pins on Pinterest. Tailwind Tribes is another feature. It's the best platform to use for Pinterest if you're serious about Pinterest marketing. Tailwind is the bomb diggity. They're such a cool company. I've gotten to have them on. They're actually in a bonus of Pin with Purpose and they're just awesome. Awesome. Love Tailwind. 3 is Trello. So we use Trello to organize everything in our business, all of our systems. I use it to organize my life, everything. So I put all, I have a board for all of the content that I'm creating for the blog. We have a board for how we communicate with our team. We have a board for everything related to the podcast. I have a board for all of my goals. I have a board for travel, everything. My life is in Trello and it's amazeballs. Okay, tool number 4 is Calendly. Calendly. And use this to schedule appointments. So if you're constantly being like, hey, what time will work best for you? I have this day, this day, this day at this time available, and you're going back and forth, that could be so time consuming and a waste of your time, honestly. What if you had Calendly? You could say, hey, these are my availabilities, check out this link, and they can schedule it with you, and then it automatically follows up with them also. So Calendly for the win. 2 more. Okay, next one is Planoly. So Planoly I use to schedule out all of my Instagram posts. And so the thing I love about Planoly is you can see what your grid looks like before you actually post it. I'm a huge fan. I can't show you because I'm recording on my phone. But if you go to my Instagram at She's Making an Impact, I'm a big fan of having my grid look super consistent and pretty. And with Planoly, you can see exactly how it's gonna look before you post something. You can plan out a week, 2 weeks, a month worth of Instagram content. It's just cool. Really, really cool. It saves a lot of time too. And the last one is Zapier. So with Zapier, Z-A-P-I-E-R, what you can do with that is create what's called a Zap, and it's an automation, and you can use it for everything. So an example Zap that you could do is create a Zap anytime someone schedules something on my Calendly link, add it to my Google Calendar. Or another one you could do anytime I upload a pin to Pinterest, tweet it out. Or another one you could do, let's see, anytime someone purchases something from my ClickFunnels account, add them to a Trello card or add them to Bonjoro so I can follow up with them. Like, the possibilities are endless. There's so many cool things you can do with them. So recap: Meet Edgar, Tailwind, Trello, Calendly, Planoly, Zapier. You don't have to use them all right now. If I were to start with one, I would use Trello to organize my life, Tailwind for Pinterest, Calendly too. Calendly I believe is free, Trello is free, Tailwind is free. Meet Edgar is probably the most expensive one. They're all good though. They're all good. So enjoy. If you liked this, head to the blog She'sMakingAnImpact.com. I got free cheat sheet for you to help you get more leads and sales with Pinterest, and I'll see you later.